Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to disable Instagram account temporarily. Open up the web browser. Here search instagram.com, which opens up the Instagram app. Click on the login or sign up option. Enter your username or password, then click to log in. Then go into your profile from the bottom right corner. Click on the settings icon from the top left corner. Then tap to see more in Accounts Center. Go into Personal Details. Click on Account Ownership and Control. Tap on the Deactivation or Deletion option. Click on your account you want to disable temporarily. Choose the Deactivate Account option and press Continue. Re-enter your password to continue the process. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.